up these base hits. Just stacking 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 up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice meets with scalping plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MNQ fake you out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, and we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits.
Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Tryna trade futures while they eating food. Yeah.
Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MNQ crazy, but we that quick. Stop, get swept, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's a real win. Then tomorrow we trade again.
Alright, guys. Go base hit. We'll take that.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying our financial statements. Yeah, missed the entry by a tick. Pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. $36, don't waste it. MNQ switch stops in a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, but we pull back. Paper hand squat, I want that back. Small size gang, and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice meets with scalping plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MNQ fake you out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, and we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits.
Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Tryna trade futures while they eating food. Yeah.
Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MNQ crazy, but we that quick. Stop, get swept, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's a real win. Then tomorrow we trade again.
Alright, guys. Go base hit. We'll take that.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying impatient, chat talking while saying the financial statements. Yeah, missed the entry by a tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set to stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ switch stops and it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase sides, but we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice meets with scalping plays. Someone so early, now they regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. NQ 50 out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, and we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits.
Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Yeah.
Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again.
Alright, guys. Go base hit. We'll take that.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep, and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying the financial statements. Yeah, missed the entry by a tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set to stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ switch stops and it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase sides, but we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice meets with scalping plays. Someone so early, now they regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. NQ 50 out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, and we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits.
Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Yeah.
Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again.
Alright, guys. Go base hit. We'll take that.
I guess I had my mic turned off in the vertical stream also here. My apologies. I'll be right back. Ooh, it does sound really good. It's coming through my the sound on my phone. Woo! Okay, be right back. Sorry. Sorry about this, guys. Almost done here. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, what's going to add to stage? There we go. Wow, that sounds way better, this microphone, hey? Wow. Hello, hey, let me get caught up on the chat here. Seems like I missed a whole lot here. Morning, Angia. Hey, Tim. Force Fed. Couple Fiddle. Fonz. David Maloney. Oh no, not you again, bro. Please do not spam us with viewers again. Adam, hola. Blackout News, yo, say hi to everyone at the fire I'm at. Nice. Lam Thao, how are you? Holy. Oh god, I got sacrificed trading gold? DLL on my account? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Gold is tough. I stay away from it. Stacking base hits. I don't want to click mini anymore. 2 micros is enough. Exactly. That's what I've been trading. 2-3 micros. Blackout News. Say hi, Mario and Adam. Quick, put on the boner apron. You need that right now? Okay, I think we're caught up here. Everything seems to be set up here now. Oh, I'm so sad, guys. I took a few minutes before, like right before I started the stream, and then price just pulled straight back on me. I ended up closing it for a $44 loser. Now we're like well into profit. So, oh well, what can you do, hey? Yes, this is a new mic. Can you tell? It must sound way better, doesn't it? Seems like it sounds better to me. It finally showed up. That's kind of why I was late to getting the stream going. I was hooking up the new mic, and yeah, so I was a little delayed there. Let's see. Did I lose my X? Or is it just not showing right now? Let me see. Oh, it says I'm live. Okay. Maybe just nobody's in there yet, so I just gotta head over there and make sure it's working. There we go. You're long dong again from 536. Third profitable long so far. Nice. Yeah, I'm pretty sad. I longed in this candle right here, this 1025 candle. Right around here, it pulled straight down. I sold it because I was like, oh, this might be rejecting here. Pulled all the way back. I sold it right around here for a $44 loser. It came all the way down there, and now it would have been nicely in profit. This is what I was planning to trade, but didn't have the conviction, and I was getting set up and everything, so I didn't want to mess with it. So, Skeletor, what's up? Okay, Dow's going up, ES is going up, NQ is going up. let's see here. What's oil doing? Oil popped up and now it's it sold off a bit. Now it's popping back up. So, just getting caught up on everything. Economic Pulse. Hey, 110 viewers right now. Is that normal? I don't know, guys. And David Maloney's in the chat here again. I don't know if you guys remember last Tuesday. 125 now. Come on, bud. Don't do this. Don't do this again. Come on. I just booted him out of last time, so. Hey, guess I got to open another ticket here. Okay, well, I reported it. I don't know what else I can do. You have to ban him? I don't know. I did. I think I did ban him now, so I don't know. There we go. I banned and removed his comments, so hopefully that'll work. Yeah, it's the same clown as the previous session. So now we have like 288 people in here, which I'm like, we went from like 16 to like 120, 200, 3. Now we're at 320. So, getting botted. Well, why is this guy gonna mess with us? Like, just an unhappy person, I guess. You know, one of those kind of people. Anyways, let's just try to not pay attention too much to it. I already reported it to YouTube again, so. I'm going to take a quick moment here and paste the link to the vertical stream. How's the mic sounding over here? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Nice. All right, coming back to the other channel. Do you think we can get up to 640? Yeah, pretty likely. We do have this bearish fair value gap here at the 600, so keep an eye on 600 first. I would say 600 is going to be our line in the sand. We also have value area low, so if we're going to stay bearish, this could be a point where we're going to continue going lower. That sounds perfect. All right, and I'll pin the link to the Discord here in the usual channel here, or the big channel. You know, Rob, I was looking for longs a few minutes ago. I tried to take a long. I ended up stopping it out because it pulled back. I sort of had some bad timing there. But that being said, we have been pretty bearish here for a little while. So I would be watching around the 600 level here. If we can break 600, I could definitely see us going back to the, possibly 700, the point of control. But, we could be making sort of a lower high here again, right? So we made our high, we made a new low. We've been doing lower highs here and here, and then we made a new low. So technically, we're kind of in a bearish trend right now, right? So I would just be careful on the longs for now. I already got a stop out on a long trade a few minutes ago. I entered long here at around, what time is this? 10:25 p.m. I tried to long it here, ended up stopping it out for a $44 loser in 2 accounts. It ended up going quite a bit lower, and then now we're way up. So could have been in profit here, but just gonna have to keep an eye out how this flag plays out at the moment. We're playing around with the value area low and the 600s. If we can get above that, I could definitely see us continuing bullish. But so far, kind of thinking it might be shorts, but this is a pretty important level here. Oh, I'm gonna have to watch that video you posted, Lone Wolf. Looks pretty cool. About something to put in your dog's water. Do you use volume profile before? Yes, I've been using volume profile basically since I started trading futures, which is basically the value area high, low, and the point of control here. You got out 150 on 2 micros. Nice. Yeah, I really wish I was at the desk earlier. This short looked really nice here. We were holding above the New York VWAP from today's session, and then once we broke down there, like it was just a waterfall effect here, all the way down to the previous day's VWAP. What do we got for orders here? We do have some orders at 29,600. Looks like everything is showing that we might be trying to go higher, but that's just a book map here, and we do have a lot of algorithm orders in that area. Let's take a look at the big books. Yeah, we got 30 contracts up there at 29,620 area. Yeah, we're getting botted, Noi. Unfortunately, this happened last evening stream. Somebody's sending bots into the channel. I've already taken a screenshot and reported it to YouTube again, because this is the second evening stream in a row that we got botted. So it's not real. So just ignore it. Usually we have about, maybe 100 at the highest points ever. So it's definitely not real. You can tell from the higher time frames that we're going to dump. Sure, wish I could have caught that short, right? Yeah, I know. It looks heavy, right? It was looking heavy. Yeah, it's pretty annoying because now I can't really tell who's actually in the stream. We got it's going down a bit. There was 930. Now it's back down to 908. So maybe they're going to start taking them away here. The other night we had 2,300 came in. So yeah, more coming off there. 887 now. So yeah, it's pretty annoying. But what can you do, right? Yeah, I've been getting bots in like the last 2 evening streams now in a row. I reported it both times to YouTube, and I've banned the person who I think is the person who was creating the bots or bringing the bots in. So yeah. Yeah, getting a bit of a deeper pullback now. Whether or not we're going to find some support in this area and then go higher, that'll be the question. But we'll have to see. Yes, smack the like button, bots. At least do something good for us. Don't just come in here and spam us with a bunch of viewers and don't hit the like button at least, right? No. CDZ3N, I'm not a bot. Your channel was recommended to me. Hey, thank you. Hey, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Come hang out with the community. Love to have you around. Is that CDZ? Is that like as in like you're Canadian by chance? Only a duck race will solve that, right, Drew? We will be doing a duck race again tonight, guys, just for another entry into the Sunday giveaway. Okay, so it's not CD. I thought CD like might be Canadian, but I was just saying because I'm Canadian. I'm in near Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. So Kaya, smack the like button, bots, right? It's weird winning with only micro. I'm used to a mini, but I win or I lose quick. Yeah, Ranja. You know, maybe just enter with 2 micros, and then if it starts going in your favor, you can always add to it, right? So we did have a bullish fair value gap there, guys. But this one candle here, the one that pulled back the last candle here, inverted that fair value gap. So whether or not, oh, we're getting a bit of a pump here. The CPD's climbing a bit. So it doesn't seem like a fake pump. Let's see what happens though. Again, we need to get above the value area low and 2600 or 29,600. There goes Drew. Don't trust it yet though. Don't trust it just yet, right? Because I mean, I could be wrong. It might just continue going here, but I would be wanting to see a closure above 600 here because we've already shown resistance here in this fair value gap, also lining up with the value area low and the 600 level. Push down, project it off at once. Let's see what happens here. Hey, welcome to everybody who's in the vertical stream. We got 2 people over there. There's a pinned comment there in the comment section there. You can hit that link if you want to come join us on the full size stream. We have Bookmap, Trading View, the command pad, and the rest of the people in the chat over there. We got 57 likes already, though. What the heck? How did that happen? 86 likes. Damn, you guys are killing it. Maybe the bots are doing their job right now. That's like the most likes we've had on the stream this early ever. So how does Bookmap work exactly, or do you have a video on how to use it by chance? I don't have a video. I was thinking about making I think I probably have a couple clips here and there talking about it, but nothing really detailed. I was thinking about making a full detailed video on it, but you know, basically the idea behind it is that you can see the live orders on the market, right? So you can kind of see what the big players are doing. So you look at these dark red lines up here, or these darker lines here and there. That typically is showing that there's more orders than normal on those levels. So what I usually like to do is you'll formulate your trade idea, figure out your trade strategy from TradingView, whatever indicators or levels that you're using, whether or not we're going to be bullish or bearish, and then look over to your book map and just kind of like see where the orders are, and then those can help you with figuring out where your target should be, right? If you have a whole bunch of orders, for example, like 600, and say you are long from like 25, I would put my TP like a little bit ahead of the 600 level, just because, you know, sometimes this might not actually break the 600. It could end up being resistance. So what I would say is front run it, right? So front run the orders on the book map, take some profits, if not all profits, around that area, and then, you know, hold some runners, possibly moving up higher. Oh, you saw my video on VWAP? It was good. Hey, thank you for that. Dave, when you get botted with bots, do you have to report it to YouTube, or else they can find your channel or something? Just curious. Yeah. So somebody mentioned in the chat last time it happened that they were watching somebody else who got botted, and they actually had their channel shut down for a few days while YouTube dealt with it. So I kind of tried to get ahead of it. I've reported it both times now. I just take a screenshot and I send it into YouTube and saying like, I'm getting spammed with bots, you know, just so they know ahead of time that I'm like basically just trying to get ahead of it, right? So that I don't get in trouble. I don't get any interruptions on the channel, right? Yeah, 806 watching, right? Yeah. Hey, thanks, CDZ. It's a CD Zen. CD Zen. Is that good? Did I say it like that? That's what I was going for with your name? Okay, perfect. You know, there's just so many interesting YouTube names that it's hard to like get it right, you know? So far it's a good idea that we didn't chase this this breakout here. Hopefully you guys didn't chase that. Let's just try to be patient here. See if we can't get a nice strong take of the 600s, which would tell us, you know, that there's a chance. We do have the overnight VWAP there, or the start of day VWAP, sorry, right there. So, you know, if we're bearish, right, we might get a retracement to the VWAP and a rejection and then head lower, right? Overall, obviously, long-term trend, overall bullish, right? And typically these flags, this flag pattern, because we had a bullish move and then we're in a sideways flag pattern, typically these are going to be a bullish channel. Sometimes it's going to break out below. Now we might end up breaking out below, get back into the channel, and then end up breaking out higher later. So this isn't over. I mean, because technically we could just sort of stretch this out a bit like this, and then, you know, we only dipped out of it a little bit here. Because if we look at these lows over here, you know, this actually lines up maybe even better like this. So that being said, you know, see how we had this channel here, we were playing up and down here, and then we ended up breaking out of it. I mean, obviously we had New York session, which helped with that, and then now we're kind of in another, you know, consolidation channel. Possibly we're going to break out again higher. We'll have to see. Pretty happy to have this new microphone, guys. We shouldn't have any of these like issues where I gotta unplug the mic, replug it back in, hit this, hit that. So, and it sounds way better. I haven't turned up the gain at all on it, so let's see. I turned up the gain a little bit. Just gonna test it here to see if it comes through a little better. Mic check, mic check. All right, that sounds pretty good. Yeah. You use volume profile also? Nice. Yeah, I use a combination volume profile, VWAPs, and fair value gaps basically for my trading strategy. So did I shred the other one? LOL? No, not yet. I should try to sell it on Facebook. Facebook Marketplace. Be like, $10, come take the mic. Last time I used it, it was working okay. Right? No warranty, no warranty. No, I wouldn't do that to somebody else. I'll tell them. Might need a new wire. Here's the market structure and volume profile. Been thinking about adding VWAP. Yeah, I mean, VWAP's awesome. You know, in general, you can just get a good bias on the direction of the market with the VWAP. You know, typically if you're below it, you're going to be bearish. If you're above it, you're going to be bullish. You can also add standard deviations like what I have here. You know what? I want to see if I can't... can I... Visibility. Let's turn this down a bit. Can I? Okay, we don't need it. Let's take the background off. Yeah, let's take the background off. That's better. Then I don't have to, it's just a little too cluttered. Adam Daz, hey. What's good in the hood? How are you doing? Adam Daz in the house. Did you hit the like, guys? Yeah, lots of people hit the like. I had like over 86 likes. We have 804 mostly bots in the channel. 94 likes on the stream. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the support. I'm pretty good, except for we're getting botted again, man. I've already taken a screenshot and reported it to YouTube. I'm hoping that I'm not going to get any trouble here. But this time there's only 800 people watching this time instead of 2,300, I think it was the other night. I thought that we wouldn't see that guy again just because, I don't know. I didn't expect him to be coming back to harass us some more, but it happens with all the channels. I don't know why. Yeah, the guy came in. So this is what happened the other day. A guy came in. He started sort of like saying, "Oh, it's a scam. I thought you said this is real trading. Like, show me a link to the CME that shows that this is real trading." Blah blah blah. Right? So, and we were all like, "Dude, like, if you don't believe it, don't trade it. You know, find a personal account, and you don't have to trade prop firms. Right? It's totally up to you." And then next thing you know, he's just arguing back and forth with the chat, and like I'm just kind of ignoring him. I just whatever. And then next thing you know, I look up and there's 2,300 viewers, and I'm like, we're getting botted, guys. So then of course I reported it, and then it looks like there's only about 800 today. So typically we have 70, maybe like 70 viewers, 100 viewers at the most on like a high time. So 800 is definitely a lot more than what we usually have. So, and it's going down slowly here. So Jane Bond in the house. Hey, how are you? Richard Dowdy. Hey, welcome, buddy. Maybe a helping hand from YouTube. Yeah, maybe. Hey, trying to get me more viewers. Subscribers aren't really going up though. So typically when we get new viewers, I would say 7 out of 10 viewers, I would say, usually subscribe. So I came up on your live suggestions. Nice. Awesome. I do have a vertical stream going too. We have 2 people watching over there. If you guys want to join the full size stream, there's a pinned comment in the comment section there. You can hit the link and join us over here. I don't understand how bots hurt your channel if it shows increased views. Well, it's not necessarily that it hurts the channels, but you know, it's probably good for the channel. But YouTube will give you trouble if you like if they think you're taking part in, you know, like, because people will pay for bots, right? So some people will try to get bots. You know what I mean? So it's not necessarily a bad thing for the channel, but I do have to report it because I don't want to, like, I've heard of channels getting shut down for a number of days while they investigate into it, kind of idea. So yeah. So I just get ahead of it, report it, and then hopefully nothing happens to like delay the channel, right? That's all. If bots come here, which means you're getting famous, Mr. Dave. Hey, thanks, Angia. YouTube doesn't like fake status, and some people do it in purpose just to increase numbers of the viewers. Yeah. And, you know, like I'm getting paid for the commercials too, right? So as these bots are in here, they're watching the commercials, then they might think that I'm trying to bot to like get a higher, you know, commission off of the commercials, right? Also, some good, some bad. So I check the new pages often. All right, yeah, thanks. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. I like trading with others, so I look for live traders. Sweet. Yeah, well, this is a good community. In general, we're pretty calm, pretty nice people. Nobody's like, you know, trolling, or except for Lafta, but he's just always in for fun, right? He's not even actually a real troll. He's just he just likes to give us a hard time. I like Lafta though. He's a good guy. We also have a Discord if you want to hop in there too, if you want to join us on the Discord. Again, just a nice chill community. It's free. We just like to be around other like-minded people, you know, trying to make some money in the market. And so far, we're just staying flat here with this price action. I'm not loving it. Either we got to break up higher or head down lower. I don't know, one or the other. Drew, you hang out here and with FSP. FSP is also a very chill guy, right? His streams are very relaxed, and you know, he's a little bit religious, which isn't a bad thing because it kind of sets a really good vibe to the channel. I like him also. So you think it sells off and London will buy it back up? Yeah, quite possibly. I don't think we're done being bullish. It's just we're going to be getting these pullbacks, right? So, I mean, technically, we might even head, you know, we could head higher here in Asia, right? This is like one of the first Asia sessions in a while now that's actually pulled back. So, I think I'm going to move this one back here, just out of the way. I just don't want too much clutter there. Already looking a little too cluttered. We have the midnight open price. Let's move this up over here. Oh, this is an old standard deviation. I don't know why these guys are on here. I got to get rid of those. This should have updated. Probably because I had to restart my computer. It changed these. Let's refresh this guy here. Bookmap showing more orders above. Yeah, it does. It definitely, you know, Bookmap is saying it's going that, you know, it's probably going to go higher, but again, no guarantee. As we know, Bookmap isn't like 100%, right? We've seen orders come off really fast, but so far, yeah, I mean, like I said, though, I would like to see us get above 600 and look bullish before I want to just, you know, jump into a long to go there. So trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows, no stress. He definitely goes hard on the evals. I can't keep up with either. I try to learn from him and notice when he uses his funded accounts versus over evals. Hey, Peter Hartman in the house. Thank you. Welcome. Hey, Peter, look at our viewers. We got 833. We're getting inundated with bots. So this stream and the last stream on Tuesday evening we had 2,300 viewers, and it was all bots because they're like instantly show up. And then again tonight, now we have 857 in their bots. So I had to report it both days now. But hey, we do have 94 likes already, so thank you for that, whoever has been hitting the like button. Appreciate you guys. We are famous. Trump's final day in China. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens out of that. Yeah. Thanks for that. Let's go, baby. Fawns. Hey, bots, did you hit the like button? Hey, at least you got viewers, right? Yeah, it could help bring some more people into the channel, which isn't the worst thing in the world, right? Nice, 100 likes. Sweet. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that. Thank you. I feel so happy with this new mic, guys. It's like I don't feel worried about my mic dying on me now. So I bit the bullet because I've been having too many mic problems, and I definitely think it was the cord. So now that I got this, I got like a low profile mount, and then the microphone. It's a It's a Fifine K688 dynamic microphone Amplitank. Because nobody wants to be watching a stream where the mic is just constantly giving feedback and messing up, right? So just ain't right. I trade Asia, London, and New York. I need a break. Yeah, hey, just stay flat, hang out. You know, I took one trade so far. It was a loss, so I'm kind of a little bit reluctant to trade right now too. I don't like it when my very first trade is a loss. Kind of like ruins my confidence a little bit, you know. I've been having such a great month. I just hate to mess it up. I'm not going to. I'm gonna stay confident here, but I'm just loading up my trades out here. I'll show you guys how my month is going so far. It's been awesome. Oh. So that's my month right there. $7,640. It's been green every day. Today I was up a little bit higher. Yeah, I was a little bit higher. Maybe I didn't add my last trades, but yeah, it's been a solid month. Both about $3,000, a little over $3,000 on both weeks here. And really high win rates for the most part, you know, like 70, 100. I had a 52% win rate that day. Wasn't very good. Still came out on top though. Just risk management was good on that day. 80%, 60%, 74, 94, 79, 88, 71. So it's been a pretty solid month. Hey, thanks, Charles. I took a couple ES trades, but mostly NQ. Yes. I've been just, trading 1 and 2 micros, and to be honest, I've been taking quite a few trades. Like on most of those days, I'm taking about 30 to 50 trades. But keep in mind that they're copy trading. So I have a 5 copy trades of take profit trader evals right now. I have 2 Lucid funded flex. So 2 evals that I passed from Lucid that I'm trading, and then I have a single 150k top 1 futures funded account that I'm trading. So I am trading a total of 8 accounts right now. But so that's why it seems like the trades are pretty high. And then, if you add in, it always adds a little bit more. So I'm actually 446 on the day, because I did lose $44 in 2 accounts on that first trade in this Asia session here. So pulling back here, let's see, are we going to end up holding the bottom of this channel, or is this just the start of the bearish move, continuation of the bearish side? Yeah, copy trade is awesome. Base hits multiplied, exactly, low risk. Most of my wins are, I had some like $70, $80 wins, but most of them are like $30, $30, $20, $30. I just trailing it up with the stop loss and just trying to lock in the greens, right? So that's why I was saying, guys, good thing hopefully nobody chased this long up here. Like I was saying, if we can't get above the value area low and the 600 level, I'm not convinced that we're going to get much of a move higher here. And then look at this, now we're selling off. Some of those orders did come off on the book map here at 591 area. Let me switch up the music here. Tim Core, not for long, waiting on my ESTP to hit. I'm short 2 contracts and just hit TP on the first contract. Second one's at break even. See, that's exactly how I've been trading too. Tim's been doing very well in the same sense as, I'll take 2 micros, right? Once it starts going nicely into profit, I'll sell one of them and I'll go stop on break even. And then at some point, I'm going to trail it up and try to stop out the second one in profit. Hopefully to get a little bit more out of there. So good job. Take the small profits, trail and protect stops, small points. Yeah, exactly. It's when you're trying to take the big trades is when you're going to it's just going to end up, you won't end up making anything, because it'll just come back either break even or no, I didn't see about your wife above. Let's see. Dave, an update on my wife. She does not have mass in her lungs. She has a small non-dual that's non-cancerous. The doctor yesterday needs her license revoked. Okay, that's great news. If you can see right now, I literally have goosebumps from reading that. So that's awesome. Good to hear, Tim. I'm happy for you, bro. So lots of good things for you right now. Oh, I got like shivers now. That's awesome. Happy to hear that, Tim. Charles Jolly, depends on the account. Yeah, I mean, if you want to size it up, for sure, right? Like if you're trading 150k account, you can definitely throw on some more micros or even a mini maybe. But it's just like with the way that I find with the NQ or MNQ, how much the price fluctuates, it's hard for me to trade a mini and not get stopped out. You know what I mean? Even if I'm only looking for 10 points in profit, the movement just moves so fast, like 3 30 points so fast, right? So all right, found some support here on the what was this? Would be Tuesday's VWAP. Tuesday? No, Wednesday's VWAP. That's a blue line here. Wednesday's VWAP. Oh yeah, I forgot I need to get rid of these standard deviations on this. Oh, it's not there. What is this attached to? Nice recovery there, though. So maybe the bulls are still here. We'll have to see how this plays out. Like I said, I'll be looking to go long here if we can. Now we're getting some pretty good volume here too on these moves up. So I think the bulls are coming back in here. Let's see though. Again, let's see what happens when we get up to this 588 to 600 area is going to be a key level to say that the bulls are going to be back here or not, right? For all we know, this could be some short coverings, and then they're going to, you know, slap it back down. Looks like a bunch of the orders did come off at 29,600 above also. So we had like 67 up there. The doctor said it was cancerous because she had cancer before. Okay. Pick your battles. Yeah. So 860 people still watching. I don't know. Okay, 805. So there we go. Maybe they're going to start dropping off here again. But yeah, we're over 100 likes already. So you guys are awesome giving the crazy support today. Thank you guys. We're at 165 subscribers right now. But we've gained about 303 subscribers in the last month, so pretty happy about that. It's been these evening streams are so much fun. I really enjoy hanging out with you guys. Next stop, Hollywood. We got our AI music, our AI music playing here. Loving it. We got a reggae song that we're gonna play in a bit here that was made for Mustang Trader. Wow, you got close to 1K viewers. Awesome, growing and growing, Butcher. Jane Bond, unfortunately, it's bots. Because if it was real, that would be amazing. But 99% sure it's bots. We had a guy come in the channel. I know I told the story earlier to everybody who's been listening, but we last evening stream on the Tuesday stream, we had 2,300 people pop in like instantly after this guy came in and was like giving us a hard time about how futures trading is fake. This is all fake. It's a scam, blah, 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 this and that. And then next thing you know, there's like 2,300 viewers in the channel. And then he came back today. I ended up banning him just a little bit earlier. And then now we're sitting at 800 viewers. So it's not real, unfortunately. But hey, maybe it'll get the algorithm to show the channel to a few more people, which is interesting, right? But we did hit over 100 likes already, so that's pretty awesome. This is really fast for getting that many likes on the stream early on. Oh, you made another video tomorrow? For tomorrow? Nice. You saw on a different channel a few viewers would type the same word all in caps and it would trigger the bots. to think there was a giveaway to win. Interesting. Thank you, Mr. Hater. God will bring them to you. Thank you. Thank you. It will come for real. Don't worry. You're genuine. People appreciate that a lot. Hey, thanks, Jane. Yeah, I don't see. There's no other way to do it, right? You just got to be yourself. It's our first time to get over 100 likes, Mr. Dave. No, we've hit over 100 likes a few times, Angia. But, you know, this early in the stream, it's not typical. Usually we're, you know, it's usually towards the end of the stream when we're getting 100 likes. So, but we seem to have got more likes than, and we haven't really got many subscribers. So typically, if this was all new people, there'd probably be a bunch more subscribers. And we're not getting subscribers. That's why I'm pretty sure it's bots, right? All right, so we had that strong pullback. We found support at the 530 level, and we popped up here. We're finding, again, resistance at the value area low, and then we have the 600 above. So, again, you're going to be patient in this area. I really want to be a buyer in this market because it's just a buyer market lately, but I'm gonna need to see something else here. We might want to go sweep the lows, maybe down to 480, even previous day low, before we find support, and then go higher. So we'll have to see. Miss K911, what's up? We got all the ladies in the house tonight. All we need is Clee. Is Clee in the house? We got Jane, we got Angia, we got Miss K911. There's another one too. Wait, 1 second here. This is typically 95% male or 98% males. I think there was one other girl too. I can't remember who was though now. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stick it up slow, don't scanning through the messages here real quick. Last time I left somebody out, they were mad at me, so oh yeah, so David Maloney 19 is the guy who was this guy right here. He's the guy that I think is bringing the bots, because remember he was the one that came and chatted with us before. He was always bringing up stuff about you know, oh, it's not real, blah blah blah. We got Lam Thao is a girl, and I can't remember, there was somebody else I thought I saw earlier, but anyways. Clee and Jane, yes. Joanne, yes, Joanne, of course. So, you know, it's a predominantly males, but we have some really good female traders. And to be honest, I think that, I hate to say it, guys, but I think a lot of the girls are better traders than we are. Show them the... No, Lam Thao's a girl. Okay, I'll show the boner candle. Rage bait. Hey, Richard. No offense. We just, the guys, we just, think we have higher risk tolerance, right? So we put more risk on, and then we end up blowing the counts. So yeah, women have less ego in our calmer. Exactly, that's what I mean, right, Randall? I play backgammon, then best opponents are women. Interesting, cool. Not the candle. Rage bait, not the candle. Wrong time to comment. Yeah, if I can give one piece of advice to anyone who's a newer trader is just keep the size down. Like really, while you're working out the kinks in your trading, trade your strategy, keep your risk tight, and keep the size down. Because if you can just keep the size down, you can, if you can at least have more than a 50% win rate, and you keep, the risk down and the size down, you don't lose a lot per trade, then eventually you're going to become profitable, right? And really about this game, it's about getting the experience over time. So and it takes time. Like you're going to have to spend a year or more, 2 years, 3 years to really hone in the skills to be a really good trader. So the one thing I can say is don't worry about what everyone is doing, like Mustang Trader making 20 grand today. And I was upset about making 500, right? So oh yeah, women don't have the male ego, which kills the game. Yeah, totally right. I just try to pass the evals quick, and it's been so hard. Again, like I took three or 4 weeks, I think, to pass those 2 Lucid evals. Again, just slow and steady, and just did it. So I think I posted it in the Discord here, so I'll bring it up and I'll show you guys what it looked like when I passed my. Yeah, here we go. So these are the 2 accounts that I passed. This is the one the first one I passed again. So this was, 83, 44, 164, 700. I had a really good day that day. 112, 60, negative 176, up 950 there, negative 276, 288, 59, 346. Right? And then also here 35, 299, 309. So like there's no real need to rush it, right? That took me 1, 2, 3 over 3 weeks to pass those evals, right? Just slow and steady, just taking some base hits, making sure you lock in the profits, keep your risk down, and yeah, slowly push ahead, right? I know a lot of people are gonna say, size up, just get it done quickly. You can pass it in 3 or 4 days, but that's also how you blow a lot of them, right? 30 to 40 MNQs are good size, really? That's hard, right? The hardest part is finding the strategy. 3 years I've been at it, and it should be broke by now. Yeah, but the thing is, a lot of strategies work, right? So you can use a lot of different strategies, but it also comes down a lot to mentally and how you manage it and everything, right? So Panda, my youngest border collie, starts her scent work trials first thing tomorrow morning. The trial has been held about 30 minutes from where I live. Nice, Lone Wolf. Looking forward to more videos. That's all you trade? 150Ks? Yeah, I know. I figured you were kidding. Force fed. You gotta take off, Adam? See you later. Have a good one. Oh, I gotta go to sleep. It's almost 7 a.m. here. Damn. Yeah, go to bed, bro. What the heck? Thanks for tuning in, though.
Live, 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the buttons.
You're a maniac, Adam Daz.
MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still
So we did have a bunch of orders coming off at 29,600, but then a couple pop back on there. This is like one of the first Asia sessions shorts that we've had in a while. They've always been bullish lately. Oh, you have to miss trading tomorrow? Oh, hey, just consider it a capital preservation day, right? Yeah, you got a day off.
Only 21 likes. Hit that button. Don't be that guy.
110 likes on the stream. Hey guys, thank you so much for the support. You guys rock. And we got 1,168 subscribers. I'm super excited to get to like that 1,500 and that 2,000 point. I feel like the growth is gonna just start getting better and better with time. I'm hopeful anyways. I mean, this kind of looks a little bit like a bull flag, right? Or a bullish channel anyways. Small channel. Popped up. Now we're going sideways here, whether or not we're going to...
slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight. Nah, wait, maybe not. No stop loss. I just wanna blow the account. NQ sweep, stop, spin it, rips back quick. You missed by one tick. Yeah.
Today is Friday. I almost forgot. No trades today. I was so ready to short it. Angia, careful. I know Angia doesn't trade on Fridays. Organic growth. Yes. I hope so. What time do we got here? It's already almost buy order 1 micro 550. Oh, you're gonna stick an order at 550? I mean, though, that is pretty decent level if you are gonna long this, but is Market Butcher trading for 24 hours? I always thought about doing a 24-hour stream, but that would be pretty wild, wouldn't it? I would have to clear out the StreamYard because it would it can't record that much time. Welcome to the stream, M Brown. Mango, you're long at 571. Woo, careful. I'm not really confident that we're bullish just yet.
People watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight. Nah, wait, maybe not. No stop loss. I just wanna blow the account. NQ sweep, stop, spin it, rips back quick. You missed by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Base hits only, no fuss.
You almost got the 50 entry there, hey?
Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step 1, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with this spot on the trade down green like yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news or you're moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing a range. I slipped on a
I'm feeling bear vibes. I've only been in for 2 months. In it for 2 months. Yeah, I mean, we've been bearish here, right? For since we hit that high on the New York session, right? We kind of broke. So we had a new high there. We set in a low. we made a new high, and then we broke that low on this low, right? So we made a new low, we made a lower high, and then we made, you know, we didn't break that low right away, but we made lower highs a couple times after that, and then we ended up breaking that low here. So unless we get above, you know, 29,728, you know, the structure is kind of bearish still, right? What's the old calculator doing on the chart? That's called the command pad. So if you want to check it out, there's this website here. It's called Traders Post, and it's a copy trading platform. So you can hook up. So these are my 5 take profit trader accounts here. I got them hooked up through Traders Post, and basically the command pad is just like a way to buy and sell your contracts, right? So you can I have a buy bid button, a break even +2, a break even button, a sell ask, exit half of the trade, and then a bunch of cancel orders and a reverse button. So it's just a good way to be able to copy trade off their platform without having to, you know, manually trade it. You can connect it. It's an extension, right, off of Google extension, and you just attach it here. It automatically loads up whatever you're looking at on your chart. Automatically puts it in there. You can put trailing stops. You can have built-in stop losses. So for example, if I wanted to go long at 517, I can copy the price here, go limit, paste it in here, paste. I got a 30-point stop loss. Just hit the buy button, and then boom, there we go. It's live on there across all 5 accounts. So it'll have a buy with a stop on all 5 accounts. And then if you want to close it, just cancel all orders. And yeah, it's gone. And then because it's tied to Traders Post, it's got all these other buttons here, dashboard, strategy, signals, and authentication. So if you want to go in and see, like, for example, dashboard, it'll bring it up, and then it'll show all your accounts here. And if you're in a trade, it'll show what's happening in the trade. So it's a really good way to copy trade, right? And the nicest thing I like about it are these break-even buttons. So if I'm long and it starts going into my favor nicely, I'll just hit break-even +2. Worst case scenario, I get a pullback and I make 2 points on however many contracts I'm trading, right? And this thing is, yeah, it's so good. You can also just switch it to like a trailing stop here. If you wanted to add a trailing stop, you just say how many points you want to put it, say like 5-point trailing stop. If you're in a trade, you just add that and it'll like put in the trailing stop on all your trades. Yeah, so if you guys are looking to ever copy trade, so that's the nice thing, is you can literally copy trade as many accounts or firms as you want all at once, as long as the firm allows you to copy trade using third-party copiers. So that's one thing you should look into before you do it. But you know, Top One Futures, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader, they're all fine with that. So I mean, technically I could connect all 8 of my accounts and just control it all from like hitting one button, right? Then you don't necessarily have to trade on Tradeovate either, because you know you can't really put bracket orders in on Tradeovate. So depends on the on which level you're using. So actually, one sec here. Let me just double check this first. I just want to make sure. So there's a few different plans, right? So the starter plan is I just wanted to make sure it's not showing any personal information before I pop that up there. So so if you go here, see starter plan is $32.32 a month. Basic plan is $67 a month. So if you're really you only need to do the starter plan, and then you can add accounts to it. So the 4 paper accounts are included with the starter account. So they call it paper accounts, but it's, you know, sim traded, right? So $32 a month, and then you get 4 accounts. I added an extra one here. So if you need to add more, you can add as many as you want, right? Which will just bring up the cost by the accounts. So I only had to add the 1 account because I have 5 connected. So, and then if you wanted to, if you're interested in going with like the basic plan, that's more so if you have live accounts. So those are like if you want to copy your live brokers, like if you have live Tradeovate accounts, like with your personal capital, then you got to kind of upgrade like that. So
We live, 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see?
and there is a good code, which is Mustang Trader, the guy I trade with Monday to Friday. You can use his code NickJ for Traders Post, and you get that discount. And you'd send some love to Nick, the Mustang Trader.
Look at the drop, yeah, check going wild.
So I don't know about you guys, but I'm glad I'm not really trading in this area. I don't like this kind of chop. I don't really want to be involved in this. It's just a coin flip at this point. So M Brown, haven't seen you around lately. Feel like I haven't seen you around lately. Yeah, I don't know. M Brown, have you been in our channel much? I don't, you know, there's so many names coming in and out, hard to keep track, but I don't think I've seen you that many times in the stream, if I have. Usually I remember everybody's name after they've been around for a bit, so.
ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the game. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. Oh, but then someone says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we build that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning, charts at night. OP market, butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected.
Miss K 911. Hello, Miss K. Is it a duck race time? Soon. We'll do a little form for the giveaway. Fall asleep? Hey, everybody who's in the vertical stream, if you want to hop on over to the full-size stream, you're welcome to. We have the little pinned comment section there to join it. Okay, the bots are gone, guys. Look at that. So we're down to 80 viewers, 81 viewers. The dog's good. He's actually downstairs right now on the bed. I should go grab him. Yeah, we're not doing a giveaway, but we are doing a duck race for an extra entry into the Sunday giveaway. So far we have about 2 people with 2 entries. So I appreciate the participation throughout the week. I only have the couple of accounts, so we're doing the giveaway every Sunday. So Have you noticed Apex has 90% off again, but they raised the price so it's not the same deal as it was last week? Interesting. No, I didn't see that. And I think they increased the resets too, right? Hey, thanks, Richard. Welcome. Dad of Dread. Nice. Yeah, Top 1 Futures is awesome. They have really good accounts right now too, guys. If you're interested in, definitely check out the Elite Daily account. So they're $100, $107, right? Code MBT. And so in the challenge, there's a 40% consistency. So it takes about 3 days to pass at a minimum, right? But once you pass, there's no consistency in funded, and there's daily payouts. Not only that, but you can copy trade up to 5 accounts at once. So I'm looking at possibly getting into some of these accounts. Just Clee, what's up? Looking to ride the red rocket. What's the red rocket? But yeah, definitely check out the daily Elite Dailies. They're an awesome account here, guys. No activation fee. None. No activation fee. Daily payouts. 40% consistency in the challenge. No consistency in the funded. And the reset fee is cheaper. $119. I will only do one account at a 50K. Nice. You lost 5 Lucids with my code? Oh, that sucks. Were you copy trading all 5? You should, if you're trading 5 accounts at once, you know, like it might not be a bad idea to risk sync and, you know, split it up into like a 3 and a 2 or something. That way you don't end up losing all the accounts together. That's just my thing. I am copy trading the 5 take profit trader accounts together, but I'm keeping the size real small on these guys. So these prop firms mislead and lie and manipulate, change rules constantly. Depends on which firms you're looking at. I noticed it like Lucid and Top 1 Futures. They're pretty solid ones from my experience. They haven't really done any negative changes, although Top 1 Futures has made a good change. So if you look at these funded accounts, where else can you get 100K with 4,000 drawdown and 150K with 6,000 drawdown? So they recently increased the drawdown amount for the traders. Again, here also 4 and 6,000 on the 100K accounts, 100 and 150K accounts. So I would say these two are definitely pretty high trust. If you go on Prop Firm Match, they're also highly recommended by them, which, you know, if you know Prop Firm Match, they only will list companies that are not pulling stupid shit. But I totally understand your point of view, Charles. And, you know, if you don't like the prop firms and you can do a personal capital, I mean, that's definitely a good way to go. It's just you have to be okay with taking on the risk of possibly losing, you know, 2,000 of your real money, right? You left Top Step for Lucid? Yeah, I mean, Lucid is awesome, right? You're looking for a red candle down, Clee? Nice. Closed 550 at 654, new limit at 528. That's right at the VWAP there. That should look good too. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of Project X anymore either. So, you know, Top Step isn't horrible, but I think the rules in Lucid are really good. So you trade personal too. I don't like the prop rules personally, but I understand why others people use them. Yeah, I mean, if you have the money, like, and you're already a consistent trader, it makes sense to go in with personal capital, right? Now, if you're learning and maybe you don't have a ton of capital to put in there, then, right? Then it makes sense to use prop firms, right? Low barrier to entry. You get real, you know, a little bit of skin in the game, so you get those real emotions on the trades, and you can learn from it. So, but for those who are newer, it's definitely a decent way to go. But yeah, if you're more experienced, then, you know, like eventually I would like to get to move into just trading personal capital, right? Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of good options in Canada for trading futures. Only in Ontario can you use Tradeovate. So I kind of would have to use IBKR, which has really high margin requirements. And I think AMP. I think somebody said recently that maybe I can use AMP, but I'll have to check that out. I haven't looked into it. So we got like Questrade in Canada, but Questrade doesn't do futures. At least it didn't until, I don't know if they changed it recently, but all right. Are we going to head down to the 500s here is a question right now. We are looking, you know, we're looking pretty bearish here. Still continuing with the bearish trend. Finding a little bit of support here at the 28, 29 area. We have a bunch of stacked lows here that was holding 24 area.
50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the chart, I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight now.
Weevil?
Maybe.
Yeah, Weevil's an option, I guess. Let's listen to Nick's Costa Rican reggae music. Somebody in the Discord made this for Nick's channel. It's because Nick lives in Costa Rica. It's a pretty good song. Bottom tail bar alert. Yeah. Camper trading tonight. My daughter wanted to sleep in here tonight. Let's hope the Wi-Fi doesn't glitch. That's awesome. You know, I streamed a little bit from a camping trip in October. Me and a good friend of mine go fishing every year on the river in Chilliwack. We go salmon fishing. And yeah, I was streaming from the camper in the mornings. That was good times. Nick J, you know, Mustang Trader, that's his name. Mustang Trader. Randall, did that long hit for you there? I think it did, didn't it? Yeah, it did. It would have hit for you. Randall's in the money again. 28 to 48, up 790, so I have a buffer. Nice. Scalping small points for the Asian session just closed 528. Oh, you're short and you closed it at 528. Gotcha. Oh, he closed from 46. Gotcha. The vertical stream isn't getting very much love today, it seems like. We do have 2 people in there right now. But Leet Anthony, are there prop firms that have instant buy-ins that don't require dumb challenges? Yes, of course. You can go straight to funded with Top One Futures and Lucid using code MBT. If you want to hop over to the full size stream here, Leet, I can show you their website pages, but I can't really link it over there. You know what though? I might have a video file I can pop in here for you. Let's go over here. So keep in mind, I'll play this little video here for you, but it is these discounts are outdated, so keep that in mind. That you'll have to check. Just a quick heads up, but if you're looking to get funded, Lucid Trading is currently running 40% off all their evaluation accounts, a limit of 5 per trader. This offer is valid through March 1st at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 2026. You can use my code MBT to get that discount, or you can just scan the QR code in the top right corner of this video. If you're looking to get funded right now, Top One Futures has 60% off funded accounts, instant SIM funded, straight to funded SIM Pro, and Ignite accounts, all 60% off. Get funded now using the code Market Butcher Trades MBT, or scan the QR code in the top right corner of this Anthony, Top One Futures and Lucid both have straight to funded account. They're going to spend a little bit more money on it, but you can definitely get right in there with straight to funded with them. And if you are looking to go straight to funded, Top One Futures, I would say, is a way to go. If you get a 100K account or 150K account, they have larger than normal draw, like max loss limits on them. Surprised I'm not trading GC at the same time. You know what? I know in the chat or in the thumbnail I said gold, but I've been staying away from gold. I keep taking too many losses with gold and it ends up making me tilt, so I've been avoiding trading gold. You know, the volatility on those pullbacks before it goes, I just haven't figured out how to read those. So quite often I'll be getting in looking for sort of a breakout, and then it does its big pullback, stops me out, and then it rips, right? So that's just what I've been finding anyways. So nice short opportunity there again. Gold cooked my ass today, but I've finally figured her out. Nice. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. If you can just wait for the sweeps or wait for the pullbacks in the opposite direction that you're thinking the trade's going to go, that's probably kind of what you have to do. At least that's the way I've been thinking about it, but to be able to actually do it is another story, right? Thoughts on trading one micro during those times? Like trading one micro on gold. I mean, even with one micro on gold, it can sting really fast, right? But yeah, I mean, one micro is definitely the way to go on gold, unless you got a lot of drawdown, right? Yeah, just make sure not to look for mean reversion during the 15-minute or breakout. Laugh so my dumbass. Yeah, careful with that. Gold doesn't leave you much room to be wrong, though. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So unless you have like a lot of buffer or a really big account, gold is a tough one to trade, in my opinion. You're better off to like just be a little more patient and trade like NQ or ES, in my opinion. ES is like watching paint dry, but force fed, you know, Cam? It really doesn't. She's been super tough. Yeah. What are your lower targets you have been looking at on gold? I haven't really been looking at gold, but we can open it up right now. I'm just going to switch up the tunes here real quick. Get to some more generic, chill type tunes. Oh, from other streams? Nice. Okay, this is MYM. Let's get over to the GC. because I know a lot of people do like to trade gold. So I mean, I'm always down. Wow, I mean, this doesn't look like a very fun place to trade, to be honest. I haven't updated my levels either. So what we do is we'll go to 30-minute time frame. We will hit our session volume profile. Let's update. We got our previous day high, our value area high, our point of control. And it looks like we're in price discovery on the bearish side. So I would be looking for shorts only, really. Just without doing any analyzing of the market or the chart. Like, look at that. Like, all our value areas from today's session are way up there. We're way below. So I'd be looking for some sort of retracement up to, you know, into the fair value gap or previous day low, and then take a short from there. But again, I'm not the greatest gold trader, so take that with a grain of salt, right? Where's the 1500 candle here? Looks like they're trying to hold the standard 1 deviation. There's an insane amount of large order shorting. And I was looking for mean reversion back into the gap. Gotcha. So it looks like NQ is trying to break down here a bit more. Pretty key level though. How to participate in the Sunday giveaway? All you got to do is pop into the Discord. It's the pinned comment there. In the Discord, there's a giveaway channel, and just fill out the form there, and you'll be entered in for the next 3 Sundays in a row for the giveaways. I'm just going to get that form ready for tonight, guys. For tonight's, if you enter on the giveaway for tonight, it'll be for a second entry on the Sunday giveaway. So let's go back here. We'll make a new form, contact form. Name, email, YouTube name. Delete that. And delete that. So I'm gonna I'll link the form here in the chat, guys. We'll give you guys about 10 minutes to enter into this form for we're just doing a giveaway on the duck race for an extra entry into this Sunday's giveaway. Did that go through? Go. I'm gonna pin that comment now. Or I won't pin that one. You guys will have to find that one. So guys, I did jump into a short here. I'm in with 1 micro in these accounts here. Thinking about going break even here. If we can, hopefully we can take these lows here. Kind of stalling out a bit though. Yeah, I'm short 1 micro here on NQ and my 2 Lucid funded accounts. So 1 micro in each account. If we can sweep this low, I'm probably going to put my stop down there at the 15s. And then if we end up bouncing back up, then so be it. I'll be happy with a small win. Might have to stop this guy out, actually break even here. It's not going. It's not going. Does it get hot with the fireplace behind you in the middle of May? I'm just so cold-blooded that I don't get hot. Well, it's not working out very good at the moment. Don't really like that we're bouncing here again, forming another wick to the bottom side. Never know though. We'll give it a sec here, see if we can't get it to play out. $560 come to Papa? You want it to bounce up to there, hey? So you went long down here? Oh, what happened there? Where did it go? There we go. Come on, let's go. Keep pushing down here. Take the low. Take the low. Come on. We need some momentum here. Swept the low, but we needed some momentum. And I'm going to put my stop in there now. Might get taken out right away. Let's see if we can't get a little more continuation here. So worst case scenario, I'm making a little bit of money here. Trail it down a bit more. Come on, let's go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. There we go. I'm out there. So I made $27.50. I was down $40. So in these 2 accounts, I just don't really... I'm not wanting to put on too much risk here. Willing to lock in those base hits. So try to recover a bit. And I'm out. And it's continuing a little bit further, but that's okay. $30K isn't too far away, yeah. Force-fed ZL1, is that your car? That's hot? Yes, he does have a ZL1. I gave it to him, Cleet. Just kidding, just kidding. That's what I asked him too, and he said, yes, it is. Small points are good, gives you a cushion for the next trade. Yeah, and like I said, I took a $44 loss earlier, so I'm just looking to lock it in. Urcon's in the house. What's up, buddy? W's. How you doing, man? Have you been missing Zach on the stream the last couple days or what? I have. I mean, I like the other guys too, obviously, but I'm just saying. And there was no stream today. I think it was like the first time with no stream in a long time, eh? I guess I closed that one a little bit too early. Hey, guys. Oh, you're at the conference. Nice. Awesome. Congrats, dude. I wish I was there. 50-minute chart is looking dangerous for the bulls. 480, all the way to 460. Take those off for now. We do have the orders down here at 500, 487. $480. I got those numbers from order blocks. Okay, nice. The only thing is we are in a bullish fair value gap here on the 5-minute. Let's take a look at the 15. It's actually a 15-minute fair value gap too. Wish I should have looked at that earlier, to be honest. This is a clear draw on liquidity, although we've already dipped into it once. And we have another one down here. So are we going to head all the way to 29,400, guys? I don't know. Quite possibly. We'll be looking for some more continuation trades here if we can get a pullback. Looking for some more shorts. That's what I was saying. Overall bearish, right? Not really looking for longs until we get above 600 area, which got the VWAP there, value area low. We do have previous day low at 450 area, and then, you know, that bullish fair value gap at 400. And then this 250 level I had on here for a while, it's a key level. It's we've seen lots of price reactions down there, so you can't steal Dave's girl. She already left me, dude, and she went for Nick. So you gotta actually say you don't want to steal Mustang Trader's girl. Yeah, be careful here, guys. Finding support in this fair value gap here. Is this gonna be? Ugh. Nice reaction out of that. If anyone took a long in this fair value gap. The H pattern playing well in the 15-minute. Grandpa Nick. Be nice. He's not that old. Come on. He's only 4 years older than me. Don't be hard on him. He's a good guy. Not just a good guy. He's a great guy, actually. Hey, everybody who's in the vertical stream there, we got about 4 people over there. There's a pinned comment in the comment section there. If you click that link, it'll bring you over to the full-size stream. How's the form going, guys? How are we doing on the fill out here? We got 16 people in the giveaway form here for the duck race on the extra giveaway in the Discord for next Sunday. So if you fill out the form on the Discord, you'll be entered for the next Sunday giveaway. And then if you win the duck race tonight, you'll get an extra entry into the Sunday giveaway. Just a FYI, guys, I'm going golfing Sunday, and the golfing starts at 2:30 p.m. and it's about a 4.5 hour game, maybe up to 5 hours, which is gonna put me. I might end up having to start the stream like 30 minutes later than normal. So instead of 10:30 start, it might be like an 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time start. I apologize for that. I agreed to go with these guys golfing, friends of mine, and then I told them to get an early tee time, and the best they could do was 2:30 p.m. So hopefully it ends in 4 hours, which will put me at 7, and it's about a 45-minute drive home. So I'm pretty much going to be on by 8 p.m. my time, which is 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I play golf. Yes. I pretty much play every sport, all the games, except for I didn't play football or lacrosse. But pretty much every other sport I played. Badminton, tennis, baseball. I used to play rep fastball. So that's with the softball, like underhand windmill pitching. Basketball, volleyball. Now one of my favorite things to do is to play pickleball. Nick's 50. And yeah, I'm in his new daughter, and he's a great dad. Nice volume coming in. Is there? Yeah, we got some volume coming in. Not a ton, though. Not a ton. But it is stacking up a little bit here. How long we got? Oh, this is on. What am I looking at? The 15-minute chart here. I'm like, yeah, we are getting a bit of volume there. Just drive home faster. Yeah, I'll try to get home as soon as possible. Badminton's your favorite? I'm typically the only Caucasian playing, though. All Viet and Chinese. Yes, I know what you mean. I played mixed doubles badminton in high school, and I came second in British Columbia when we played mixed doubles. So I'm pretty decent at badminton, but I've been liking pickleball. I don't know. It's like a cross between tennis, ping pong, and badminton. Same size court as badminton, and a ball like a ping pong ball, sort of, and lots of similar tennis feel, right? Pretty volatile candle though, hey guys, like 504 up to 528, so 24 point candle movement here. I'm just pretty zoomed in. I was zoomed in on the Trade of 8 chart, so it's made it look like it's bigger. Oh, you play? Yeah, when you can't afford court time? Nice. Those buyers are protecting these lows here, eh? Dave, random question. Are you part Asian? On your stream, I've seen Asian food, martial arts, and some Mandarin speaking. No, I do have a Métis background, which is, Native American. And that's tied to Asian people. Because when I did my 23andMe, it said I have like 0.03% Asian. I don't know how that works, but no, I'm not. But I do speak some Mandarin. 我是大伟，请问你叫什么名字？这个房子非常好，你很漂亮。Me too, played badminton competition for 6 years at high school. Made it to the Quebec Games. Oh, that's awesome, James. Good for you. Clee is, yeah, I know you're very nice. Of course you are. Randy, that was tight. My Siamese cast is pissed about what I just said. Yeah, I'm sure your cat would be. Your girlfriend is Italian Asian, Randall. That's an interesting mix. I bet you she's a very pretty woman. Good job. Did we just hit a bottom? I don't know, bro. We're just kind of stuck in this chop zone, It might be, though. I mean, we did just form a big wick there and then a second wick on it. Look at that on the 10-minute, too. Looks pretty strong. I'm not convinced though yet. Medi NQ in the house. What's up? Yes. Yep. Yeah. 5 years old and doesn't age. 5 years old. I think there was a typo there. Yeah, you notice that a lot of Asian women don't, and men too, they don't really age until they like hit a certain age, and then they just age quickly, right? So Denisovans are Asian connection, I believe. Okay, yeah, so it could be that, right? Shinkula, shinkula. Most people just go, ni hao, xie xie. That's usually what most people can say in Mandarin. I can even sing a Mandarin song too. 我爱你爱着你叫声老鼠爱大米. I'm not gonna do it though right now. It's a song called it's a love song about how somebody loves somebody like a mouse loves rice. Of course, I'm a fan of Korean food. One of my favorites is their seafood pancakes. And then I also love to go to like Korean barbecues. Obviously, it's so amazing. Gold is breaking down a little bit here, looking like it wants to take the lows. Why did the market drop in Asia session today? I didn't see much significant news. I think it's just a natural pullback, you know. And if we look at all the Asia sessions lately, it's been pretty bullish, right? We've had pretty nice moves in Asia. Today was like the first one where our, you know, the bullish move was sort of short-lived, and then we collapsed after. I didn't see any news either, but I didn't really look either, so it's been, I think it's just a natural pullback, to be honest. We're just due for some pullbacks, so. Asian algo trades. Yeah, my previous girlfriend was Taiwanese, so I learned a little Mandarin as well. Nice. There was yen news, no life? Okay. Yeah, let's see. Japanese PPI month over month. Of Japanese. Is that the yen? That was at 1650, so 450. That was right before market opened. Japanese PPI month over month. Okay, yeah. And PPI year over year. Yeah, I wasn't convinced that that's going to be the bottom here, guys. Maybe we should bring this back across here. Look at that. Now, if we get a closure and we start pushing down, like we could use previous day low as a target. I wouldn't jump in right now, but if we start breaking below these recent lows and below the 500 level, then you could definitely target the 450s. The daily candle trades. What's up, man? My first time here. Good to meet you. Hey, welcome. Nice to meet you also. What do you trade? What do you trade? Which prop firms do you use? Branets loves Korean food. Of course, who doesn't, right? People still check my ID card when I go to the bar. I have tattoos all over my body. When they see my ID card and find I'm 34 years old, they thought I'm using fake ID. And yeah. Yeah, Asian people age pretty well until they don't anymore, you know? It's just kind of like it's like when you fall out of a window or something. It's like they're climbing the stairs, looking good, and then they fall out and then they quickly age. Whereas, you know, typically white people, have a more of a rounded curve of looking old. Maybe it's because we spend too much time in the sun. Asian people often protect their skin from the sun, which helps. Yeah, the H pattern has not completed yet. Yeah, I don't think so either. Use TradingView and Tradeovate. I only paper trade as of right now, but I'm just going to use Profirm soon. Hey, smart move, man. That's the way to do it for sure. When you get a mole with hair growing out of it, you know you're old. You know what that deserves, right? By the way, this is the longest laughing emote ever. I gotta always stop it or else it just goes on forever. Our sell by date is about 65. Yeah. Yeah. When you turn on the heated seats, not because you're cold, you're old as well. Yeah. TradeX investing. If you get a mole with a hair growing out of it, you might want to get that checked. Right? Just in case. Okay, we're starting to roll over here more, guys. We broke the 500s here, so now let's look for a candle closure below the 500s. We can look for a retest, hopefully bounce up to the 500s for an entry. We got about 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. New lows, yep. Yeah, nothing's telling us bullish, right, guys? Like, even with these bounces here, like I wasn't buying it. I wasn't believing that we're going to be bullish. We need, like I said, we got to get all the way back up value area low if we're going to be, you know, really in the bullish mindset. So let's look for a retest of the 500 area and some resistance up there. Hopefully it doesn't just go straight down to the 450s, but it might. Looking to connect with serious traders and like-minded people, still new but fully committed to learning, improving, and building others on the same path. Hey, well, this is a good channel to start in. We are all about risk management. We have a really solid, chill community, so you're not going to get any crazy, wild people. The Discord is free. You can always get some free sauce from us every single day. We trade Monday to Friday for the New York Open, 9:30 a.m. Nick, the guy who trades with me in the mornings, starts usually at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then I also put on these evening streams Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday nights. So hit the link in the chat there, and you'll be able to get into the Discord. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close that form now. Give you a last chance here. Let me see if I'll paste it. If I can paste it one more time, real quick here. If you guys want the last chance to get in on the giveaway form for tonight, but you'll have to be in the Discord form also to be able to get the giveaway. But you're welcome to enter that. If you end up winning tonight, what you're getting is a second entry into the giveaway for next Sunday. So hit the link in the comment section there to get to the Discord. There's a giveaway channel in the Discord. That's where you'll fill out the form for the Sunday giveaway. But this form that I just linked in the chat is for tonight's duck race for a second entry into the giveaway for Sunday. Only a couple rules. You got to be live on the stream to claim the claim the account. It's a Lucid Flex 25K. You have to be in a country that's allowed to trade with Lucid, and you can only win 1 week in a row. So if you win this week, you won't be able to win the following week, but you can win on the week after that. So quick, give you guys like about 2 minutes here to get in on that form while you're at it. So why the market drop? Y'all are some horrible degenerates. Nothing fancy. I like that name. Why did the market drop? Y'all are some horrible degenerates. The market's just been bearish. It's just been bearish. It's just a normal pullback, though, really. In the grand scheme of things, like how bullish we've been lately. Like, let's look at the daily chart here. Yeah. Like, I mean, this is just a pullback from all-time highs. We'll probably, play around a bit and then make new all-time highs in the next couple days. Maybe not Friday, but maybe going forward, right? Is the same form I dropped before? Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's just for today's entry for the extra giveaway, right? So if you want to get in the giveaway for Sunday, which you'll have to be in that other form, is on the Discord. So there's one form on the Discord, and then there's one form in the chat right now. The one in the chat is if you win the duck race and you're already in the form on the Discord, you'll get a second entry for the Sunday giveaway. So I just relinked it because there's some new people in the chat. I didn't pin it, and we've had a lot of comments, so the form has kind of like disappeared. I just gave it one more little chance for people to get in here before I close it down. I'm gonna give it till 1 more minute from now, guys. Yeah, I think we're gonna go higher for sure, Jane. So we didn't get a pullback there, and we're all the way down, heading towards the 50s, guys. I play slow. Q. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get rid of that form here out of the chat real quick. We'll lock it in there. We will remove that comment. Let's see, how many people did we get filled in the form? We got 22 entries for tonight's race. But remember, you got to be in the Sunday giveaway form to be able to enter in for the Sunday, for next Sunday, right? So hit the Discord, pinned comment in the chat there is to the Discord, pop into the Discord, head into the giveaway channel and fill out the form there. And that's the actual form for the Sunday giveaway. Tonight's race is literally just for a second entry into the Sunday giveaway. Because I know how everybody likes doing duck races, so. And we are here. What are the chances my duck will win again on Sunday? Hey, you never know. Maybe you'll win tonight and you'll get a second entry. So let's shuffle these characters around here. Good luck to the winner for that second entry on the Sunday giveaway, guys. Let me just get rid of this banner here before we start the race so you guys can see what's going on. You ready, guys? Good luck. Quack. Medi NQ in the front, Ranja, Peter Hartman, Rod, all in the front. Unfortunately, usually whoever's in the front ends up hitting stop losses pretty early in the game. So if you don't see your name, there's a good chance you might still win. Angie is in the middle of the pack. There's Scott, Fasil, Donna, Lemix, Global Summary, Richard Dowie, STFU, Play Slow, all in the back there. Trading Game up on the top. Looks like a Grandma Duck. Grandma Duck always has some good luck. Medi pulled back there. You might still have a chance then, Medi. You just don't want to be out in the front here. Charles Jolly hitting the stop loss there. Hey, there's Miss K pushing up, pushing up. Scott T Money, Yo Jim Blob in there. Chris in the house. Let's see, guys. 27 seconds left. Wait till we get down to about 10 seconds. That's when the stop losses usually start getting hit. Go Santa. There's a pirate. There's a bee. RDK still holding number 16 there. Who's coming from the back? Global Summary. Medi's pushing up in the back. 7 seconds. Medi's pushing up from the back here, guys. Look out. Trading Game's rushing up here. Looks like Medi's going to take it. Medi NQ. Congratulations, Medi NQ. You got a second entry into the Sunday giveaway. So just make sure you run over and get into that to the giveaway that's on the Discord form, or you won't be able to get the extra entry. Congratulations, so Medi NQ. Did you already fill out the form in the Discord before, Medi? Oh, Peter's still here. Hey, Peter, what's up? And we're pushing down here all the way to the 50s, guys. It looks like we're going to the 50s, and we missed it. Unfortunately, you did? Okay, nice. I was dead last, which is a type of victory. Best loser. Nice. So top three, Medi, Yo Jim Blab, and the global summary. Top three. Then Trading Game, No Life, RDK, Chris M. Brown, Angia Scott, Charles, Miss K, Richard, STFU, Fasil, Lemix, Forcefed, Peter, Ranja, I Play Slow, Donna, and Rod. Rod actually came 22nd place. Okay, so I'm just gonna add Medi's name to my ChatGPT list of who's getting the extra entries here. There we go. So far, Rocket Fuel has 2 entries, Ranja has 2 entries, and Medi NQ has 2 entries. So congrats. You're working on your automated strategy up to... Nice job. That's awesome. If you guys don't know, Peter is from Traders Post, guys. So if you guys haven't been over there, they also stream. They do have a lot of great information on, you know, like some like strategies. They can get some, what can I call it here? Some AI strategies or some bots, or their platform also does the copy trading, like I showed you guys, a command pad. So you should definitely head over to Traders Post and give them a follow. They have a great platform. I've watched them stream on multiple occasions. Very informative. So check them out. All the way down to previous day low. Who took that trade down to the 450s here, guys? Not you, huh? Just the funny comment, slid the market moves an inch down. Nice. I put your sell order too far up and missed the entry. No big deal. Yeah, I know. That's what I was hoping for, sort of a pullback also. So I'm just going to link you guys the traders post here real quick. The link to their YouTube. Tons of awesome videos you guys can get over there. And live streams. I was watching their live stream earlier today. There you go. Be there, be square. You wrote it down, 105 accounts. Very nice, very nice. Just got 2 micros short, recouping 190. Very good. Still down 600. Woo! Damn. Ever stream with anyone? Yeah, so Monday to Friday I'm live with Mustang Trader. Here, I'll also link you guys his name is Nick. He goes by Mustang Trader in his YouTube channel. And he is a savage. He copy trades like 50 accounts at once. Not every day, but quite often he does. So definitely, if you want to learn about scaling your prop firms and risk management, he is one of the best. $330s aren't unrealistic. Yeah, I mean, if we keep breaking below the previous day low, you know, I have this key level down at 250. But yeah, 330. Let's see, 330. I agree. I mean, we could potentially get down there. I mean, I'm not going to say yes or no we are going to get down there or not, but it definitely has the potential. I would say let's get below the previous day low here first. Seems like they're trying to hold it here. We're at what is that? 2 standard deviations, -2 standard deviations. And then let's take a look at the book map, see if we have orders down there. Nothing really sticking out too much for orders down there. We have a bunch at 400. So it looks like we have at least some room down to the 400s potentially. You're looking at the VWAP there on, I'm looking at the VWAP there on 5 minute. Okay, so that's just like your overall ongoing VWAP. I don't have a ongoing VWAP sort of, so agree, but it's very thin below where we're at. Yeah, there's not a whole lot to stop it from going lower. I would say we got the 450 psychological level plus previous day low. Then after that, I mean, we can definitely get down to 400s, right? At a minimum. That's a reasonable base hit kind of target. Fair value gap at 29,400. Yeah, totally. There's a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, which could be a draw on liquidity there. There's the 30 also there. Is it a 1 hour? Oh, it's a 1 hour too. So yeah, lots of draws on liquidity to the downside right now. I'm gonna go grab Ralph real quick, guys, and I'll let everybody say hi to Ralph real quick. I'll be right back. Say hi to the mic, Red. Hi, guys. Hi. Ralph's in the house saying what's up. Love you guys. Ralph loves everybody. Ralph brought the liquidity. Yeah, he always comes when it's when the market's gonna move. Oh, I shouldn't have left right then. Just collapsing here, guys. The shorts are good here today. Ralph's my 10-year-old French bulldog. He's so cute. Yes, he is. We might free fall here now. Yeah, it's looking pretty heavy. Cutie. Hi. Yo, Jim Blob, you got a MES runner that you're going to bed with break even? Nice. Yeah, it might just keep going here. I'm feeling the FOMO right now, and I almost clicked sell there, and then I thought about it. I'm like, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Trying to be responsible here. Act like an adult, like Nick would say. Lilish, hey, how you doing, bud? You're in the vertical stream. Good to see ya.
Market butcher in the building. Lucid giveaways. Top 1 futures. Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates.
There's another 1 hour block at 320. I just always think, what would Nick say? Nick would say, trade like an adult. I made this song. Well, it's an AI song, but... yeah, the linked comment there in the comment section, or the pinned comment, Lilish, will bring you over to the full-size stream. What would Nick say? He would say, trade like an adult. He would say, I don't trade gold. Gold is heavy. I don't trade oil. Oil slippery. I don't trade natural gas. Natural gas is explosive. Lean hogs get sent to slaughter. So what do we got left? We got NQ. Trade like an adult. Yeah, that's what I use, Peter. I use Suno. I have about 10 or so songs that are all from Suno. Wheat? Oh yeah, wheat. What is it saying for wheat? Wheat, too much gluten. Pigs get fed, hogs get slaughtered. Yeah. There we go. We got him across, everybody. Lilish made it from the other stream. So Peter, how it all started was I took all the comments from the chat And then I uploaded the comments from the chat to ChatGPT, and I said, "Here, take these comments and turn it into a song." Then ChatGPT like wrote a song, and then I uploaded the song to Suno and gave it a prompt like, make it happy hip hop or whatever, and then it pumped out songs. So it's pretty good. I even made a rock song here too. Oh, you know what? I gotta get where's shots on goal? Where's shots on goal? I thought let's put on the rock. Let's put on the heavy metal song here. I thought I had shots on goal in here. I don't see it though.
Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building. Lucid. Top 1 futures. Code MBT, baby. Trade like a dose. But laugh like
It's crazy what AI music can make, hey? It's insane.
MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. Bass hits only, we ain't chasing highs. FEG lined up.
NQ moves fast, it'll rip your face.
MBT go get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. Top 1 futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. FEG flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low.
I don't move until levels fill.
Revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stop up, let the winners extend. If you blow the evil, reload, my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. Base hits only, we ain't chasing highs. FEG lined up, now the shorts all crime. MBT code, get the discount.
What time is it? It's 10:15 here.
Dreams all night. Top 1 futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Chat say, Dave, should I full port NQ? No. What would an adult trader do? Scaling smart, don't act brand new, cause book map sharks out hunting for you. POC hit and rejection clean. ES floating like a limousine. One guy long on top of 17. Now we working overtime at Dairy Queen. Giveaway stream that the view was wild. Lucid funded.
Discipline is what builds a bankroll.
Got the whole chat smiling, even the bears been dancing a while. Late night Globex, candles glowing blue. Trade zealot journaling.
Don't add to losers, only add to winners. Yeah, I'm blown away by the music that AI can make in like 2 minutes. Like it's crazy. It's crazy.
Survive the ride. Market butcher Sundays, baby. Base hits forever. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. And remember, gold is heavy, oil slippery. Nat gas explosive. Boner candle. Boner. Yo, Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building.
I want to hear my London Grammy song.
Top 1 futures.
Yeah, I think this is it.
Trade like a dose. But laugh like the
You should make an AI closing song with your top 50 callouts. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Hey, yeah. We can probably do that right now, actually.
Dreams all night. Top one futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. MGC flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. On a candle print in the chat, yo, bro. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stop up, let the winners extend. If you blow the evil, reload, my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. Base hits only, we ain't chasing highs. LVG lined up, now the shorts all climb. MBT code, get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. One futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Chat say Dave, should I full port NQ? No. What would an adult trader do? Scaling smart, don't act brand new, cause book map sharks out hunting for you. POC hit and rejection clean. ES floating like a lip.
Peter's got really good intros and outros for their channel on Traders Post. I was watching it today. I was pretty impressed by those.
Late night Globex.
I think I got like a Snoop Dogg style song here too. I think it's this one, yeah.
Discord vibing. No tilt, no fear, just bass hits. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. Market butcher got the whole squad hype. FEG flip and the setup tight. Sunday stream.
Oh, this is gonna be interesting.
Funded tonight. MBT code, yeah, the discounts fly. Lucid and top one standing side by side. Risk management, keep the dream alive. Trade like a dose and survive the ride. Market butcher Sundays, baby. Base hits forever. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. And remember, gold is heavy, oil slippery. Nat gas explosive. Bone up, candle. Boner. Yo, Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building. Lucid giveaways. Top one futures. Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates. Bone a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ.
Okay, let's get it. Let's get it.
Base hits only, we ain't chasing highs. FEG lined up, now the shorts all.
You should make an AI. Oh yeah, I appreciate that. I made them a while back. I've been meaning to make some new ones, especially considering AI tech out now. Oh, nice. Yeah, for sure. I mean, you can totally. The AI stuff now is crazy. I mean, I thought that you made that by AI, but you didn't, obviously. So that's even more impressive. Let's see if 400 can hold for a bounce for 20 or 30 points. Lilish, you have an AI song? Post it in the Discord and we can always add it. I would love to get to know you and maybe join the stream someday. Yeah, I mean, you're welcome to come on. I'm all down for having anyone on sometime, for sure. For sure. I think Randy needs to come on the stream too. If you're still here, Randy, at some point.
Full port NQ? No. What would an adult trader do? Scaling smart, don't act brand new, cause book map sharks out hunting for you. POC hit and rejection clean.
Yeah, just holler out sometime next time we're on a live stream. You're definitely Randy's got a channel too, guys. If you want to search him up, Randy Trades Futures. He's also live pretty often, so you should definitely check him out.
Candles glowing blue. Trade zealot journaling. Discord vibing. No tilt, no fear, just base hit.
You're lazy as F? You're in his live stream now too? Nice. Yeah. Why did it call it a boner candle again? I'm gonna rename this guy. I'm gonna rename it Roll Count.
Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building. Lucid giveaways.
You're gonna go live soon as well? Nice.
Code MBT, baby.
Sweet.
Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates.
Hey, it looks like we hit 1,170 subscribers. Over 170 now. 1,174 subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for all the new subscribers, and obviously can't leave out all the long-term subscribers. Love the support, guys. Appreciate it. At 127 likes on the stream, that's pretty high, I would say. Not our typical, you know, we definitely hit it high this time. Let's see, that Suno song should be ready here. Oh, we're ready. Okay, let's download these guys. Download MP3. Download MP3. Just for company and getting good guys to stream with me, trading NQ, MNQ only. Nice. Yeah, well, once you get that going, let us know. I'm all for spreading out the word about the community. We're always looking for more places to hang out, people to connect with. So, and anyone who knows anything about YouTube, it's important to share each other so that we can help each other grow, right? And I know for the most part, everybody who seems to be hanging out in the channels, they're all pretty good people in general from my experience so far. So, yeah, I like to help share it. So the Tonight Show with Randall and Randy. Nice. Yeah. Okay, let's add these songs here now. Add music. So I haven't heard these guys yet, so these will be all brand new for us to hear. the outro song. There we go. Shoot. Add music. Bass hits.
Market butcher Sundays, baby. Basis forever. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. And remember, gold
Oh, limited to 100 files. I gotta delete something here real quick first.
Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building. Lucid giveaways. Top 1 futures. Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates. Gonna candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. Bass hits. hits only, we ain't chasing highs. FEG lined up, now the shorts all crying. MBT, go get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night.
Okay, here we go. Here's the new song. Let's see.
Futures got the butchers outside. Risk management,
Roll call.
gang, yeah, we still survive. Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. FEG flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat long, my gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean and dream market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the chat, yo. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stop up, let the winners extend. If you blow the info, reload, my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. Base hits only, we ain't chasing highs. FEG lined up, now the shorts all crying. MBT code, get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. Top one futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Chat say Dave, should I full port NQ?
Miss 911.
Dog trader do. Scaling smart, don't act brand new.
Tim Court.
Sharks out hunting for you. POC hit and rejection clean. ES voting like a limousine. One guy long on top of 17. Now we working overtime at Dairy Queen. Giveaway stream got the viewers wild. Lucid funded account, stacking them piles. Top one codes got the whole chat smiling. Even the bears been dancing a while. Late night Globex. Candles glowing blue. Tradezilla journaling. Discord vibing. No tilt, no fear, just base hits. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. Market butcher, got the whole squad hype. FEG flip and the setup tight. Sunday stream legends getting funded tonight. MBT code, yeah, the discounts fly. Lucid and top one standing side by side. Risk management, keep the dream alive. Trade like a dose and survive the ride. Market butcher Sundays, baby. Base hits forever. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. Gold is heavy, oil slippery. Nat gas explosive. Bone up, candle. Boner. Yo, Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building. Lucid giveaways. Top one futures. Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates.
Just ain't right. MNQ, Blackout News Network. No life.
Hits only, we ain't chasing highs. FEG lined up, now the shorts all crying. MBT go get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. Top one futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. FEG flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean and dream market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the chat, yo. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move up, let the winners extend. If you blow the info, reload, my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. It's only we ain't chasing highs. FEG
Good night, Butcher Gang.
shorts all crying. MBT code, get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. Top one futures got the butchers.
Okay, well, we got another version, so tell me which one you guys like better.
Still survive. Chat say Dave, should I full port NQ? No. What would an adult trader do?
We're pushing down here.
Brand new, cause book map sharks out hunting for you. POC hit and rejection clean. ES floating like a limousine. One guy long on top of 17. Now we working overtime at Dairy Queen. screen got the viewers wild. Lucid funded account, stacking them piles. Top one goes, got the whole chat smiling. Even the bears been dancing a while. Late night Globex, candles glowing blue. Tradezilla journaling, Discord vibing. No tilt, no fear, just bass hits. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. Market butcher, got the whole squad hype. FEG flip and the setup tight. Sunday stream legends getting funded tonight. MBT code, yeah, the discounts fly. Lucid and
I think I like the other one better already.
side by side. Risk management, keep the dream alive. Trade like a dose and survive the ride. Market butcher Sundays, baby. Base hits forever. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. And remember, gold is heavy, oil slippery. That gas explosive. Bone up, candle. Boner. Yo, Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building. Lucid giveaways.
Top chat legends in the building tonight.
Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates. Boner candle to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. Bass hits only, we ain't chasing highs. FEG lined up, now the shorts all crying. MBT go, get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. Top one futures got the butchers outside. Risk management.
Shorting another micro at 406.
Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains.
That looks like a good entry. I rarely short, so I love these pullbacks. Just not a shorter, but as you know, trading the tech bounces make it a lot of points. Yeah. Angio, you stopped out? Come on, NQ, breakthrough. Oh, getting some volatility here. We're gonna break this lows again. Looking for 330 or lower might be ambitious. My strategy is limited mainly around 1 hour order blocks. I mean, we're so bearish right now. I mean, I don't see why it's going to stop. We took out previous day low. We're now in price discovery. So, you know, maybe the you know, when London opens, they might decide to turn it around, but we'll have to see. The 30 minutes was dangerous for bulls. Yeah, for sure. Okay, let's get to some more chill music here. That was fun. Yeah, no stopping in sight here, guys. Seeming like it. Once we took the 400s here, now what's the next target? 350? 29, 350. We do have a little bit of support in this area. 420 down to 380 at least. We're at 380 now, so that was a beautiful trade. 420 to 380. I thought price discovery in terms used for levels never hit before. No, because you can use it also in the volume profile context, right? So when you're in value, you're inside the value areas, right? Once you get outside of value, you're in price discovery. So not necessarily, I mean, it does also mean all-time highs, but in the context that I'm using it, it's because we're getting out of value, right? So once you get out of value, whether it's bullish, out of value and bullish, or out of value and bearish, you're in price discovery. So it's both, and it's just relative, I guess, to what you're framing it against, I guess. Okay, Peter, thanks a lot for hanging out. Have a good one. 1:35, eh? Yeah, it's pretty late. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good sleep. Get some sleep before the stream tomorrow morning, man. You only got like 7-8 hours left. Friday is usually my worst trading day. Well, then just practice staying flat is what I usually try to do on the days where if I'm not feeling great, or depends on the day, right? I feel you, bro. I'm up at usually, I'm up for the same time, so I'll be going to sleep here and trying to get some sleep before tomorrow morning too. Usually we end the stream somewhere around this time. We still have about 67 people in here, 64 in YouTube, 3 in X, and the vertical stream is empty currently. So I'm just going to leave the vertical stream right now.